Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Since I am already shooting my top right here, I decided to just remain put and show you my Jane. This is Jane, you guys, from Seamwork. I also put her on my spring fashion mood board. I have featured her before on my channel. I'll put the eye right there so you guys can see it, but stay here, don't go there. I think I gave a little more in depth. Did I or didn't I? If I didn't, I'm just imagining things. But Jane is a very easy make. I am a very proud Seamwork ambassador. You guys know I've spoken about them before. I have been subscribed for them for years before I got chosen this year, to be an ambassador. The Jane is very easy to make. It has definitely 4 pattern pieces. So the sleeves, the front, the back, and the collar. That's it. I like Seamwork. They're very inclusive. They have so much. I mean, the range of the sizes is for everybody, and it's not like, oh well, let's make larger sizes. It's like, let's fit the pattern for everybody, that everybody looks good in it, and that's important. I also like the fact that I can see all types of people on their website, or as ambassadors, or that are promoting their stuff, because I feel very seen. I feel very seen over there. Okay, enough about me, like how we say in good Caribbean, sucking up. So this is how I have it. I have it with my flowery pants. You know, I'm not doing too much, it's summer. And yeah, it's long enough. It's good, it's comfortable, it's not too tight. It's a real t-shirt. And as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. You have a great day. Bye.